Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Lexus. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Lexus is a great value with less than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.